Good day. Before we begin, we'd like to do a territorial acknowledgement. Extended School of Management acknowledges that it is situated on the traditional, ancestral, and unceded territories of the Coast Salish people, including Musqueam, Squamish, and Tsleil-Waututh nations. My name is Zoana Jaline Awil, and today we will discover digital transformation and big data analytics on human resources management. Now, digital transformation and big data analytics have significantly reshaped organizational functions, even including human resources management. Now, these technologies have enhanced HRM processes, such as generating reports on time to fill, turnover rates, and forecasting by enabling data driven decisions that align with the business strategy. This research explores the meaning of digital transformation and big data analytics, as well as its impact on various HRM processes, including workforce planning, recruitment and selection, employee retention, training and development, and performance management, and the benefits that digital transformation and big data analytics offer. Now, what is big data? Big data refers to the vast amount of both structured and unstructured data. It has four elements, which is volume, that refers to the size of the data sets. Then there is velocity, that refers to the speed rate of the data sets that were collected. Variety refers to the various formats of the data that were collected. So this is similar to like text messages, emails, or even the data that was gathered from various social media like Facebook and LinkedIn. And lastly, there is veracity that refers to the reliability and accuracy of the data. Now, because of big data, HR analytics as a department now exists. They are also known as talent analytics or workforce analytics. These analysts are experts in utilizing various statistical tools. They conduct predictive and prescriptive analytics and present visual data through charts and graphs to organizations. Their aim is to improve workforce management, drive transformation, and create value by developing methodologies that uses workforce data to identify patterns. On the other hand, digital transformation entails the integration of various digital technologies across all functions of an organization, and it is part of their strategic initiative. Additionally, the organization's processes, products and services, even their operations and technologies are evaluated and optimized for innovation. Now, what is the importance of big data analytics and digital transformation on HRM processes? Now, in the past, HR had difficulty in generating reports such as attrition, employee transfers, movements, and even the way they handle candidate CVs because of the traditional way of handling data. Now, by applying big data principles in management, HR is now able to enhance accuracy, efficiency, and objectivity on these processes. Now, talent analytics are also able to facilitate workforce management, encourage transformation, and create value by developing a set of procedures using the workforce data to establish patterns. And lastly, with the application of digital transformation and HRM functions, HRM has been more efficient because their service delivery to stakeholders have improved. What is the impact of big data and analytics on various HRM processes? Now, on workforce planning, big data and analytics help to distinguish a skills gap and facilitate succession planning. For example, talent analytics will use the data to identify the need for an additional human resource, and that would mean managers can evenly distribute tasks among his team members. As such, it can also prevent overwork on employees and also prevent attrition. Now, on recruitment and selection, analytics can help organizations identify candidates with the necessary skills from a diverse range by looking at potential candidate pools in overlooked areas. Hence, they are able to recruit the best in class candidates as well. On recruitment, HR analytics can actually project potential levers and identify factors that impact attrition. As an example, an insurance company implemented a rewards retention program. However, this initiative failed. Later on, analytics realized that employees were unhappy of their managers. And as such, the company then shifted their focus in developing their managers. Now, the objective of HR analytics is onboarding is to measure and evaluate the effectiveness of onboarding tasks. They provide information on factors that engages new hires to easily adapt in the organization. Now, often new hires encounter challenges on their first few weeks in the company. And so HR analytics would often conduct survey and feedback to gather data and help improve on their onboarding processes. In training, organizations are now using analytics based dashboard to improve their training plans. So they develop training courses that actually match a specific job description of an employee or of a new hire. And also in the past, organizations had difficulty in calculating return of investment that is done by training. With analytics dashboard, they can already generate return of investment and report it to their stakeholders. Organizations can now create performance management systems and rewards based on employees' individual performance. And this is based all on the data that they have gathered. So, what they do is to map overall performance of a specific employee or of teams by providing tools and associate this individual performance management with the compensation. And with career development, talent analytics will conduct a quantitative assessment based on the data that they gather, which includes the job interests of an employee, their career aspirations, their experiences, employee performance, and other information that will help analytics understand the career interests of employees and help them facilitate their career development. Now, what is the impact of digital transformation on HRM processes? On HRM planning, it actually helps expedite the process, and the strategies generated are aligned with the digital transformation. HRM platforms help the efficiency and effectiveness of HRM processes. For example, artificial intelligence helps recruitment sift through thousands of CVs and select the best candidate based on the information that was fed to it. HR platforms provided give HRM an immediate access to employee information, which would help them and their leaders plan workload management as well as on employee development and their career progression. On recruitment, digital platforms are integrated with data analytics, and this help them gather insights on labor markets as well as help them with the recruitment process. Nowadays, social media like LinkedIn can be a source of a passive candidate. As earlier discussed, AI can facilitate CV screening by scanning through thousands of CVs and selects candidate based on the information that was fed to it. Lastly, applicant tracking system helps lessen the repetitive and administrative tasks of recruiters and allows them to focus on their core task, which is candidate and stakeholder management. In onboarding, digital transformation provides new hire an option for virtual interactions done through various digital platforms. They're actually given access to systems such as their basic information, documents and forms, and even training materials that will help them get through their first weeks of employment in a company. In today's digital area and even work from home arrangements, new hire can do virtual tours instead of visiting the office physically. Now, these digital platforms enhance the experience of a new joiner. Now, similar to onboarding, training also has digital platforms like e learning and virtual training solutions that allow ease of access and flexibility in terms of time of employees. A digital management system allows to track, review, and improve employee performance. Now, this system actually replaces the traditional annual performance reviews. The performance management systems are enhanced to include goal setting, track employee progress, and their assessments. It also helps HR analytics gather a detailed information on employee performance. At the same time, use this information to discuss career plans, career progression, and even performance improvement plan. And digital transformation on career development goes back to training because this is also needed to develop leadership skills of employees, which would also help them become future leaders. Now, let's talk about the application of digital transformation on IBM. Now, according to their website, their mission is to provide client solutions to help them shift their business to digital transformation. Their strategy is also focused on cloud and AI. In terms of HRM processes, IBM has developed an AI they call Watson Candidate Assistant, which is a chatbot. This is the first point of contact of the candidate, and it also conducts skills matching. Um, According to a study they conducted, it actually generated a conversion rate from exploration to candidate application of 36% versus 12% of the traditional static website. They also developed Your Learning, which is a training management system. It's a marketplace of learning programs for IBM employees. 98% of employees visit this website and they serve or they render 60 hours um, of training per year. In effect, the skill sets of IBM employees have significantly improved, and these skill sets remain valuable with IBM. Because of this artificial intelligence, IBM saved $107 million in 2017. To quickly summarize, big data analytics help HRM functions provide information to help them source candidates from a wider talent pool, calculate return of investment by training, gather insights on employees and their engagement indicators, as well as identify areas for improvement on onboarding processes. Data transformation, on the other hand, gives HRM functions ease, accessibility, and flexibility with the use of digital platforms. In turn, this allows HRM to function as a strategic partner rather than being transactional. Thank you for joining me in unraveling the impact of digital transformation and big data analytics on human resources management. This is Zoana Jaline Awil. Have a good day.